Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sunday, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the commodities because last week was one heck of a week. Trump's tweet just totally destroyed the market right after the Fed decision. So let's look at some support and resistance levels for some commodities this weekend. And for this weekend for next week. Natural gas is trying to it's gapping down, but it's trying to climb back. We'll look at a 15-minute here. This 270 area is going to be crucial. You can see this is exactly where this wick came down to. So we're going to want to try to hold 2079, 208 at the very bottom, guys. You know, this wick down here at 207. And we want to see a push up here to 210 and watch 210 act as a support, and then watch for a push all the way back up to 220. Now if this 2.70 does not hold, guys, we can still go lower. Next would be 19 around 1939 after 2. So we're not out of the woods yet, nowhere close. So still waiting for confirmation of a bottom. There are some really good opportunities to play UGAS and DGAS. Here are natural gas UNG contracts. SPY and puts are actual natural gas contracts on the future market. It'll be interesting to see what happens here, but natural gas trying to bounce. Next thing, gold. Alright, gold was really volatile. It came all the way down here to test this 1,414 mark before coming all the way up here to testing 1,557. Now that is some range. For a week leading up to the Fed decision, we had very little range on gold. We talked about it during the pre-market sessions and decision on what was about to happen. So now we got our answer, and everybody's expecting us to go up to 1,500 and test it. So now we're going to have to see what happens. Gold has been climbing up. We've been watching for this 1,420 area to hold. It held, made support, and then we're watching this 1,430 area hold as support. So now we need to see this 1,450 area hold as support and see if we have the juice to start getting up here. Okay, next resistance, you can see we bounced off of it. 1,478, 1,475, 147, and then it's going to be 148, and then you're going to see 15. So we're consolidating above this area we couldn't get past in 2018, this 1,404. So it should be really interesting on gold. So we want to see 1,400 hold, really 1,420 on any pullback. I'm looking to see if we can make this 1,450 our new base. Crude. So as you guys can see on crude, this $60 area, as it's like kryptonite. Haven't been able to get above it yet this year. We're running out of summer, running out of driving season time. Now any kind of geopolitical event can happen. You saw the Trump tweet that dropped oil from 58 down to 54. So there are geopolitical things that can happen that can move oil, but it needs to get a move on if it's going to test 60 again this year. So it bounced off 54. You can see we got a crazy doji here, and been climbing back up. Now 56.25, 56.50 needs to hold as support. climb back up to this 56.50 and then trying to get back up to 57. That's what I'll be looking for with this crude chart. Looking for push up to, 56.50, 57.25, 58.60, and then trying to go after that $59 again. But we're going to have some good numbers come out again this week with the oil report. API comes out on Tuesday. Government report comes out on Wednesday. Rig count comes out on Friday. Natural gas report comes out on Thursday. So, guys, those are some key areas and support on crude, gold, and natural gas. Alright, guys, remember, once you learn how to trade one thing, you guys can trade everything. Like I said, you guys can see the doji here, followed by confirmation, followed by a dip down here to test support, and then a move up. And then we see a little bit of a flag action, pull back and go. All about learning how to read charts and knowing what events are coming up and knowing where support and resistance is. Okay, we really need to, you can see this big huge drop here. We need to get up over 56 and get back over 57.25. Alright, guys. We'll see how the European and Asian markets ingest the data, and we have some pivot points to look for this week.